Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the nice FX4 Off Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, we have a tow hitch, backup camera, we do get a nice tonneau cover with this vehicle with a tailgate step, and a bed camera as well. Side bed steps as well, a nice black platformed running board with a side view camera. We got turn light, spotlight, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, B&O Sound System, flat fold storage system. You can lift up the seats if you need additional storage, and you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. You do get storage there, 2 heated back seats with 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, gutter lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 18.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Gauges, Off-Road, Towing, Status Info, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Vehicle Maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage. You even get a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Got storage here with cup holders that you can slide over for more. Got the leather wrap center console with even more storage, and you get a light and some outlets down there. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here, and we do get 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. We have our engine brake and hill. Looking here at our audio, we do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM capabilities. We got our phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, or whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, sync, connectivity, updates, all that fun stuff, and features of the vehicle such as your zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual, and you get this nice little widget on the side here, which all is pretty nice. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC88728, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.